All right, so we have this week's accountability. Let's talk about what I have done and what have not been done. All right. So I have created a board here so we can look at it together. So I tested a lot of writers, but I did not choose anyone yet. I just felt like I posted the Upwork jobs and everything, so that was, I thought maybe one of them would be good enough, but then I realized I don't need just a writer. I need someone who can lift my team up by much more, and someone who's an expert at, like doing everything and basically make me dance. All right, so I have good cover designers now who are working. So let me see. Yeah, so I have good cover designers working. 2 of them actually, and both are from a country which I didn't expect in Africa, but they're pretty good, smart. So I'm very happy about that. Almost have the 3 covers ready, so this is why I haven't checked this off. I did hire 2 cover designers, so that's good. And then manuscript for all the 3 next books that I'm gonna launch is ready basically. I did copyright all the books, so we can put that here, but that wasn't in the list, so I don't know what to do if I did something but I didn't mention it. So I want to show you something. 1 second. I will open the file here. So if we talk about the actual results, so far in February we have a net profit of $2,400, and of course it's going to be more than this because we also have some income coming from like Draft to Digital, Ingram Spark, and other stuff like that. So, of course, this is not pure profit because I have an ads manager. I'm paying out people. I'm investing, and I've had 2 launches this month. So actually, the real profit is probably $2,000 higher because those launches cost a lot of money, right? So that's one thing, and then I am also automating a workflow. So if you look at this one. So I've built this so far, and I'm gonna basically automate all of the Facebook stuff. This is just a prototype, and yeah, it's gonna be good because I'm gonna take all of the Facebook ads, everything that I'm doing. I'm gonna generate the pictures. I'm gonna create the campaigns. I'm gonna run the campaigns. Everything is gonna be automated. So I'm very excited about that. I think it's gonna be very cool. So yeah, that's that I want to do. Now let's go to the sheet here. Let's see what else we have. So the biggest thing I achieved last week, I would say, is finishing our first song. So I'm gonna play that for you. You can tell me what you think. Okay, let's see. It's a preview because we're working on the music video now with my friend. But let's just listen. Here we go. Let's see if you can hear it. Alright, I think that's enough. So we have this song coming out soon. So that's been also a little project that I've been working on. And that's basically after I've been also learning chord progressions, so that's a bit outside the business. Where did I spend time that was not so useful? Actually, I'm not so sure. I think I'm using my time, but I'm not so sure. Maybe asking people who don't have what I want to achieve about tips. It was kind of stupid. So I think that is where I wasted around 1 hour, 1.5. So it became like a social hour, but it was not the smartest way to spend my time. Now, the biggest thing I'm gonna try to achieve for next week, and you can keep me accountable, is this. So let's share the screen now. 1 second. All right. So I'm gonna work on the next music, top lining. Actually, the pre-step before this is gonna be, pre-step is learn, let's say, 9 more songs, chords. So I'm gonna learn more songs, and I don't know 9 because probably each night I'm learning 1 or 2 or 3. So I'm gonna learn more, and the step after that will be work on the, production or top lining. I don't know what to do there, but anyways, then I'm also gonna format the next books, get them prepared to launch. That's exciting. So I don't know if I can launch them next week yet. I probably could. I have 2 of the covers ready almost. So there are 3 books I'm gonna launch, and then I haven't hired a writer yet. So sadly, we have to do this. I'm disappointed in myself that I didn't do everything I wanted to do, but I just kind of changed the, let's say, well, I do actually I do have a writer, but not for this. I have it for my cookbooks, and the Facebook tool that I'm working on, I'm gonna try to finish that off. So yeah, these are the priorities. If there is one priority for next week, it will be, let's prioritize these. Definitely not the music that is like on the night I'm doing that. So I think I want the cover to be ready, and then I want to format the books. So yeah, gonna do that next week, and let's see how things go. Have a good day. Bye bye.